Hello guys, welcome to another piano lesson. It's been long, and so today I want to teach you a song titled You Are Able by Ada in the key of C. Play the song normally. I give you a full piano tutorial as we usually do. Alright, so let's go. Creator of universe, what can't you do? What won't you do? Jesus, you are able, great and mighty God. Jesus, there is nothing you cannot do, nothing you cannot change, nothing you cannot turn around. You are here, put my trust in you, put my trust in you. You are here. Alright guys, so that's a breakdown, even though I don't really know the wordings or the lyrics of the song that much. So alright, so it's a very simple one. Alright, so alright guys, so let's get into how the chords are. Alright, so it's not that difficult as you might think. Alright, so right, so you can take C9, right, while adding fa there. Alright, so you run like a scale, right, while playing C with your left. Alright, so when you do that, so fa mi re. Alright, you go to G. Okay. Alright. Do re mi do la. While playing la, you go to the fourth. That is F. Alright. Okay, then you come again to C. La so mi re. Alright, you go to 5. Alright. Alright. I go to 2. This is my 2 inversion. This 2. Alright. 2 inversion. You play 2, then you go back to 4. Alright. This also 4 inversion. First inversion. Alright. That's all about that first part. Alright, I forgot to tell you to put this part, this 6. So I did not put 6, alright? Before we go to the 4, alright? Then voila. Do re mi mi. Why on do re mi mi? Go to 5, re 2. You can play this inversion and 4th. 1 5. Jesus 2 and 4. Alright, there is nothing. Alright, so this nothing. This is our 6 first inversion, second. Alright, third. Okay, second inversion. Okay. 6. I do it slowly. 5. Alright, these are 5. First, second inversion. Alright, so play first inversion of second inversion of 6. There is nothing you can know. 5 inversion. Okay, nothing you can know. 4. Nothing you can know. Okay, 3, 4, 5. You are there. To the normal chord 2 and 4. So the normal chord progression of the song is you in 1 and 5 and 2 and 4. 1 and 5 and 2 inversion and 4 inversion. You are 1. Alright, so guys, that's all about the song. I hope you learned something. Do wait to subscribe to my channel for more videos. God bless you.